Welcome to this pranayama tutorial. In today's pranayama, we'll be exploring Sama Vritti, which translates as square breathing. Some of the benefits of Sama Vritti are a calm and relaxed mind and the ability to start to learn to focus. With this pranayama, we traditionally use a 4 count. And if you think of that in your awareness of a square, you inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and then pause for 4. Let's go ahead and practice this a few rounds together. Go ahead and sit up nice and tall, make yourself comfortable. And just become aware of your breath. Note the natural state of your breathing. And with your next exhale, let all the breath release. And on the beginning of your inhale, count to 4. At 4, be full, and then pause here for a 4 count. Exhaling for 4. And then pause with no breath for 4. And again, starting around the square, inhaling for a 4 count. Holding for 4. Exhaling for 4. And holding with no breath for 4. Breathing in for 4, see the numbers arise in your mind's eye. Holding for 4. Exhaling for 4. And no breath for 4. And then releasing the pranayama of Sama Vritti. And just notice, witness if there's any shifts in your focus. If you feel calm and relaxed, just with 3 rounds. Sama Vritti.